Tired of payment processing headaches holding your business back? Let's ditch the confusion and set up your Stripe account for maximum power and security. First, head over to Stripe.com and click on the Start Now or Sign Up button. You'll need to enter your email address, full name, and create a secure password. Make sure to use a strong password that you haven't used elsewhere online. Now, for the important part, KYC, or Know Your Customer Verification. Stripe requires this to comply with regulations and keep your account safe. Click on the verification prompt and provide accurate business details, including your legal business name, address, and tax identification number. Individual accounts will require your social security number. Once verified, navigate to the payment method settings. Here, you can select which payment options to offer your customers, like credit cards, debit cards, wallets such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, and even bank transfers. Enabling multiple options can increase conversion rates. Next, boost your security with Stripe Radar. This is Stripe's built-in fraud prevention tool. Explore the Radar settings and customize rules to automatically block suspicious transactions, preventing chargebacks and protecting your revenue. Finally, familiarize yourself with Stripe's reporting features. Use the dashboard to track your sales, analyze customer behavior, and gain valuable insights into your business performance. Set up custom reports to automatically monitor key metrics. And that's it. You've now properly set up your Stripe account for optimal performance and security, which means more time focusing on what you love doing, growing your business. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.